Welcome to the video guide on how to learn Japanese effectively for beginners. In this video, I will share with you 5 tips that will help you learn Japanese quickly and effectively. Tip 1. Learn the hiragana and katakana syllabaries. Hiragana and katakana are 2 of the 3 Japanese syllabaries. Hiragana is used to write native Japanese words, while katakana is used to write foreign loanwords and onomatopoeia. To learn the hiragana and katakana syllabaries, you can use the following methods. Flashcard songs, manga, Japanese learning apps. Tip 2. Learn vocabulary and grammar. After learning the syllabaries, you need to start learning vocabulary and grammar. There are many resources available for learning Japanese vocabulary and grammar, which you can find in books, websites, or Japanese learning apps. To learn vocabulary and grammar effectively, you should break down the lessons into smaller chunks and learn by topic. You should also practice using the vocabulary and grammar in real-world situations. Tip 3. Practice listening and speaking Japanese. A good way to practice listening and speaking Japanese is to watch movies, listen to music, and talk to native Japanese speakers. You can find many free Japanese resources online. To practice listening to Japanese effectively, you should focus on what the speaker is saying and try to guess the meaning of the words. You should also practice pronouncing Japanese words by following the video tutorials on YouTube. To practice speaking Japanese effectively, you should talk to native Japanese speakers as much as possible. You can find a Japanese learning partner or join a Japanese language class. Tip 4. Find a Japanese learning partner. Learning Japanese with a partner can help you stay motivated and learn more effectively. You can find a Japanese learning partner on forums, Japanese learning apps, or Japanese language classes. Tip 5. Don't give up. Learning a new language is a long and challenging process. However, if you are persistent and hardworking, you will achieve your goals. Here are some additional tips that will help you learn Japanese more effectively. Set clear and specific learning goals. Learn regularly and systematically. Practice regularly. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Find joy in learning Japanese. I hope these tips will help you learn Japanese more effectively.